Indian Challenger Elite. Look at this paint job, man. Goddamn. This is the hot shit of the day right here. It's finally my chance. I rode the Challenger 108 Power Plus earlier. This one has the 112 and an absolutely sick paint job. 143 of 350. I mean, that's insane. It's an 850-pound bike, and you can just flick it side to side like it's nothing. Absolutely moves out. Sounds amazing. I'm gonna take just a little extra time with this one. Just a little something. Yeah, I mean, it just feels perfect. I don't have a whole lot to say. It's not really gonna be much of a review. I rode the Challenger Limited earlier. Basically the same bike. I don't know if the suspension or anything is different on the Elite. I know it's got the fancy paint job and the tribute to, I forget what his name was, but an old Indian motorcycle rider from back in like the 1920s that set a land speed record on his Power Plus motorcycle. This bike is basically a tribute to him. But aside from that, I don't know what exactly is different between this and the other Challenger. You can get the 112 on other Challengers as well. I know you at least can on the Limited. Sounds amazing. Handles amazing. Smooth as can be. Oh, oil change due. I know this thing has been getting more miles than anything on this tour so far. It has to. The way people have been riding this thing all day today. I mean, this thing has not gotten a break. And it really don't feel any different aside from the more powerful 112 compared to the 108 on the other Challenger I rode today, the Limited. I would assume it has something, you know, a little different in the suspension tuning or whatever to make it handle a little better, because since this one is the tribute to an old race bike. But I don't know, we gonna have the info to it and the link in the description in case you're interested. Aside from that, I mean, just an absolutely beautiful paint job on this thing. Extremely comfortable bike though, man. Super comfy, super powerful. I don't remember exactly how much horsepower and torque it has, but I think it's like high 120s, low 130s. High 120s being the horsepower, 130s being the torque. And it's an absolute monster. I didn't read a whole lot before I started jumping on these bad boys today. I just wanted to ride. Just wanted to ride. People keep cutting off in these side streets. I'm trying to go explore a little bit, see what this is looking like back here. I just saw a guy go back here just now. Probably because these side roads back here are pretty empty. Oh yeah, that baby is mean. I will just go down here, turn around, 40 at third gear. Yeah, she rips, man. Absolutely rips. Little C8 vet action. Oh, it's a little twisty boy back here. Okay, to test out the handling back here a little bit. Very nice, very nice. I don't know what exactly this road leads to back here, but we're gonna find out. Okay, there it is. We finally just hit a cul-de-sac. And she's got no problem leaning over. Oh yeah, I mean, this thing is an absolute pleasure to throw through a turn. And just throwing it side to side, you can see how easy it is to lean it over. Absolutely incredible. I've never been back down on this road before. Might take one of the scouts back here, see how it compares. Might bring a 101 back here or something. Sorry for driving so close in front of you. That's a pretty funny sticker. It's a type of smartassery I can get behind. this thing hauls balls, man. Hauls balls. You barely got to twist the throttle and it just scoots. It absolutely scoots. No, we gotta hit it under that. That's enough to get you going. Absolutely is enough to get you going. I think what I'm on now is technically the old route, before they got to doing a bunch of construction over here a couple years ago. I've been kind of doing the short route today. Yeah, never thought I would be the big bagger with the big old fixed fairing kind of guy, but I definitely am. I mean, I just always kind of looked at these bikes and figured they would just be heavier than I wanted them to be. I mean, they don't feel heavy at all when you ride them. The only time you really feel the weight is when you're sitting still, coming to a stop. Sitting still or coming to a stop, that is. Even then, they just have such good balance. It's like nothing, man. Challenger Elite, man, this thing has been an absolute joy to ride. Indian Challenger Elite, look at that paint job, man. That white, red, and black is crazy. I mean, that bike is the whole package. That's gonna do it for the Challenger Elite video. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you. Have a good one.